So the OT forum and the PT forum are some discussion forums that we've set up for therapists to communicate around different topics. And there's a couple ways that you can participate in those. So I'm going to click on the OT forum as an example. On the front page of the OTPT website or SharePoint site, we always have the most current topics that have been updated that will appear on there, so you can kind of see those visually when you first come to the site. If I click on the OT forum, it's going to pull up the full forum site, and you can see that there's an existing discussion here that says welcome to the OT forum, and then there's also a button here that says add new discussion. So I'm first going to show you how to participate in an existing discussion. So let's say that I see a discussion that I want to participate in. I'm going to click on that discussion title, and you'll see that it has the full text of the discussion. In this case, it was the welcome to the OT forum and a link to the OT discussion forum guidelines. So as you're adding discussions or contributing to them, you can add attachments. And then I want to reply to this discussion, and I'm going to click reply, and then I'm going to maximize this so I can see the full page, and then I just add my reply here, and I'm just going to type in test reply so you can see it, and I'm going to click save, and you can see I'm logged in as Kathleen Ham, and so you see that it's threaded. So you can see that I replied, and it is threaded, so it appears indented. And I'll just show you again, if I reply to that main message here, I'm going to type test2, and you can see that again it's quoted right underneath, indented just underneath that original posting. However, if I want to reply to the actual to a reply or something that somebody else has posted underneath that discussion, I can click reply. And now you'll see that it's actually indented underneath there. So that's a way that you can contribute to existing discussions. The other thing that you can do is to generate a new discussion forum, new discussion topic within the forum. So I'll click on the OT forum to go back, and I'll say add a new discussion. And my discussion is going to be ideas for high school sensory diet. And then I'll click save. And you can see that now I have a new discussion forum. If I go back to the main page, you'll see that this is listed here. So those are some basic ways to contribute to the discussion forums.